basically, I'm chopping firewood. Safety equipment is key to safety, especially when using a chainsaw. If you use 2-year-old's goggles, they do the trick, just like an adult's goggles, but they do steam up somewhat.
In all the excitement.
Number 1, your bog standard log. It needs to be split, it won't burn otherwise. Get your log very well wedged in, otherwise you're in trouble. Check your chainsaw's oil. I can see that there's enough in here, and we're ready to start the job. The position of cutting is absolutely vital. If you for some reason are not correctly positioned, you could get some kickback. Here we go. That was a successful cut. That should just break away in my hand.
Round of applause.
Thank you.